put it there.
So you can see, like, he's about it.
I'm gonna angle it over there. I'm just gonna throw it.
So it's not out more like explosive.
It doesn't exactly goes high, but it's range. Another thing is, if you're using this in a Nerf war, you could probably use it as a grenade.
Mm-hmm.
Now what I want to try is see what happens if we put a bunch of them on top of each other. Not inside, but on top. Like, there's another one here. I'm going to hold them. So just make a ton of boomerangs.
Mm-hmm.
Like, imagine seeing someone coming to your door and you just drop a bunch of these on them. Or you could throw this at a killer clown if one starts chasing you. I already have 2 made, and Nicole's still working on his first one. It definitely takes a lot of practice to get these. I have 3 done.
Wait, I'm gonna make a grenade.
Dude, if you're struggling with the boomerang, I'm pretty sure you won't be able to make the grenade. Because the boomerang is the easiest of all of them. If you've ever made a popsicle stick bomb, the most likely one that, like, the one that I've been shown the most is the window, which is literally, it looks like a window. But that's not the easiest. That's actually one of the harder ones. So, as you can see, I'm a lot faster at it than Cole is. Because I don't even know how many I have. I'm not counting them. But what, Cole's maybe still struggling on his first one.
Okay.
Alright, I'm ready. I have 1. Alright.
Okay, here my 2.
So, we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We made 6 of these, and I'm not even gonna drop them all at the same time. I'm gonna go like ninja mode. Cool, stand over there. Let's go ninja on you. I'm gonna go ninja on you.
Okay, wait, you should drop them all like a.
I'm gonna go ninja on you.
Wah!
It's not popping. Go ninja on me.
So then you have to throw them slightly hard to get an explosion.
Oh, but you have to make sure that you hit them.
If you want them to be more vulnerable to explode, you see the corner, you want to unfold it a tiny bit more.
These are so strong.
So then it'll pop more. So you could just.
But you don't want to accidentally pop it.
Yeah. So just hold.
Dude, cool.
So then if you.
And then on you. It's not
popping.
What?
Here, wait. Let's see if I unfold all the corners. If it'll pop more.
I have to go down.
Okay. Here, wait. So here, this is how much better it works.
Yeah, that time it actually popped and it wasn't that hard.
So that's all. Bye.